Better late than never? Ha! As if a state of emergency, a public health emergency means anything. The United States declares monkeypox outbreak a public health emergency. Just like how they declared COVID-19 a public health emergency and then did nothing. A million Americans dead after declaring a public health emergency. The CDC officially basically just covering up COVID information, releasing fake maps about COVID transmission details, right? Telling people to go to work even if you're sick. So when I say better late than never, I mean, not really, right? Like, not really, because this doesn't do anything. Oh, it's a public health emergency. Are we going to do a lockdown? No. Are we going to have a mask mandate federally? No. Are we going to shut down restaurants? No. Are we going to shut down concerts? No. Oh, it's a public health emergency. Are we going to fund the rapid production of vaccines? No. Oh, it's a public health emergency. Are we going to do literally anything about it? No. Great job. The United States has declared monkeypox a public health emergency, the health secretary said on Thursday, a move expected to free up additional funding and tools to fight the disease. The U.S. tally topped 6,600 on Wednesday, almost all of the cases among men who have sex with men. I gotta be honest, y'all. I gotta be really, this, weird, first of all, men who have sex with men, what kind of language is that? But second of all, this idea that, oh, so we're only testing in these populations, we're funneling all of our testing into these populations, and then, oh, would you look at that? Most of the people are gay? Oh, whoa. It's like in the early days of COVID-19 when most of the testing was just done in New York, right? And then they're like, oh, all the cases are in New York. My friend, do you understand? When you test in one area, that area is going to be the largest amount of positive tests because that's where all the tests are being done, right? Southern states, during the COVID-19 pandemic's early days, we're still in that pandemic, but southern states, right, they just didn't do testing for an extended period of time. This idea, right, that it's only gay people or men who have sex with men that are fucking getting or transmitting monkeypox, it's just, it's not only is it homophobic, but its messaging is so unclear that it's creating a gigantic rise in homophobia, especially during this groomer campaign by the right wing. It's dangerous 1980s AIDS bashing garbage all over again. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. This country is fucking embarrassing. It's embarrassing. This idea that monkeypox is a fucking sexually transmitted disease. Motherfucker, if I fucking sneeze on your face, you can get monkeypox. Alright? Come the fuck on. Emphasis on come. Come the fuck on here, man. We're prepared to take our response to the next level in addressing the virus, and we urge every American to take monkeypox seriously. Oh, great. So how you urge Americans to take it seriously? So federal mask mandate? No. State level mask mandates? No. Maybe stimulus checks, lockdown, stay at home? No. Take it seriously, but we're not going to let you take it seriously because you still got to go to work. Take it seriously while going to work. You got to go to work every day, but you got to take it seriously. We're not going to do anything to help you. Go back to work, but you got to take it seriously. What the fuck kind of country is this? What kind of country tells Americans, oh yeah, there's a pandemic, or at least, in this case, there's a burgeoning pandemic, and we're not going to do anything about it. We want you to do anything about it. We're not going to tell you what to do. We're not going to give you any information. Just do something. Just be careful. How? I don't know. What do I do to be careful? I don't know. How should I go about, maximizing my protection? I don't know. All you got to do is be careful. Just look around, walk around, and you go like this. The declaration will improve the availability of data on monkeypox infections that is needed for the response. The U.S. government has come under pressure for its handling of the outbreak. Oh, really? The disease began spreading in Europe before moving to the United States, just like COVID-19, which has now the most cases in the world. Vaccines and treatments have been in short supply, and the disease often left for historically underfunded sexual health clinics to manage. Like, Jesus fucking Christ. Jesus fucking Christ. An embarrassing country. An embarrassing country. It's COVID all over again. Now, I will say, to my understanding, monkeypox is a lot less lethal than COVID-19. But it's a lot more visible. Like, people walking around with fucking pox all over them, right? People are going to be a lot more freaked out by that. Even though it's less lethal, right? Because Americans are the stupidest motherfuckers on earth. Americans are fucking dumb motherfuckers. So even though it's less lethal, people are going to be like, oh no, I got spots on my face. Right? They're going to want to avoid it more. But like, Jesus fucking Christ. Stupid fucking country. We gotta go to work. Got to go to work. Who else is gonna flip them burgers? Am I right? Gotta go to Wendy's and get that goddamn $5 box. Woo! It's embarrassing. We live in an embarrassing world.